One way to get rid of uncertainty is to get statistical significance in your estimate. So this slide talks about why you're not going to get it. Let's say that you've said your goal is 200 million miles between critical mishaps, and you've compared that to a baseline human drivers, and you say that's our goal. So that's a hypothetical, but it's probably in the ballpark. In order to get statistical significance of a purely testing-based approach, now people wouldn't do this, but I'm going to explain why, you would need 2 billion miles of testing. And if you ask Wolfram Ralph, that's 50 round trips on every paved road in the world. Yeah, that's not going to happen. You have to have fewer than 10 critical mishaps, and so you get statistical significance. Okay, great, but it's not going to happen. Oh, and by the way, if you find a defect and redo your system, you're going to have to do at least some of the testing, perhaps all of it. This is just not going to work out. So any amount of road testing you can afford is going to leave uncertainty because you cannot afford to brute force it. Now, people have figured this out, but I want to go back to basics and explain why road testing will not actually get you to safe.